Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Recently I bought few plants from nursery and they were planted in plastic pots. First I thought to buy ceramic pots and repot them. But afterwards I thought of revamping them from boring and dull pots to beautiful planters. So in this video I am going to share how to paint and renew them. I hope you will get the idea for your balcony also. So let's start today's video. First I wiped all my pots and cleaned them. I am using white enamel paint which I bought from hardware store. You can get it easily. I am using this brush to paint them. You need to mix the color properly, either with the help of brush or some stick. As I want to give white theme to my balcony decor, so I plan to paint them with white. You can choose the color as per your choice. Enamel paints are long lasting and don't get fade with sun and rain, so I chose to do enamel base onto them. If you want, you can use acrylic color, but you have to apply varnish on them. In the first and second coat, I could not get the finishing, but in the third coat, I got the desired look and the finishing. They were shining like the ceramic pots now. I was satisfied with the result. So move to our first two pots. For that I chose some quotes and write down on paper. You can get the printables also from net. I traced it on pots with the help of carbon paper. I pasted the carbon sheet and paper with the help of tape. If you are comfortable, you can directly write with the color. I am using black acrylic color to write the quote. You can use permanent marker as well. Now enjoy watching the video. A little cactus I made with the help of green acrylic color. On another pot also, I painted another beautiful coat. These pots are simple but looking beautiful at the same time. They are quite easy to make. To make the border, I mixed green enamel with the white and prepared this green color, which entirely changed the look of the planter. If you don't have enamel, you can mix green acrylic with the white enamel paint. Those boring planters are transformed into beautiful planters and adding the charm to my balcony decor. I feel very happy and overjoyed whenever I see them growing in these self-decorated planters. If you like this planter decoration idea, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So move to our next two planters. I drew some easy designs on paper and traced them in the same way as we have done in the previous DIY. I am using black acrylic color to paint these designs. These designs are quite easy to make and color. You will easily get the printables also on net. I am using round brush here for all the painting. If you are not comfortable, you can use permanent marker as well. Now enjoy watching the video. The touch of red enhances the design. I draw the eyes and legs with the help of white acrylic color. Our cute planters are ready. If you like this idea, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This design is also very cute and simple. I am drawing an elephant here and traced it. Now enjoy watching the video. For big spaces, I am using flat brush. After completing the painting, don't forget to give a coat of varnish. Otherwise they will get fade. I took 1:2 mixture of water and fevicol, and with the help of brush, I did a coat on the designs. It will secure the acrylic colors. By mistake, I could not record the video making eyes and other decorations with white dots. This will just enhance the beauty of the pot. I painted pink color on the upper part of planter by mixing a little bit red with white enamel. You can make polka dots on the border. Our cute planters are ready. These pots came out to be very beautiful and I made all of them in less than 1 hour. I hope you liked both the DIYs and could get some ideas for your decor also. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. In the next video also I am going to share quite easy and beautiful planter decoration ideas. Till then, better take care of your health. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be crafty. Bye bye.